Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your battery not charging to 100% on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, your battery might not be charging all the way up because you have a battery protection enabled. We can easily check that if we go to settings, scroll down a little and then hit battery. And here we have our battery protection. As you can see, for me it is disabled, but you might have it enabled and you might have it set up to maximum. And as you can see, the maximum battery protection means that it will just never charge all the way up and will always stop charging at 80%. Of course, you can change the cap here, so it's always, for example, will stop charging when it hits 90, or you can just switch to basic, adaptive, or you can disable it completely. I will live with basic, and it should help with your issues with charging your battery. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.